Hello, and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey to strong and healthy nails, while simultaneously learning how to DIY some cute nail art designs. But there will be no designs today. As you can tell from the title and thumbnail, I'll be making my own cuticle oil today. So I ordered these oil applicator bottles from Amazon. It comes with 5 bottles and 5 syringe thingies to get the oil in the bottle. Okay, so now it's time to figure out how these bottles work. So one end is where you can twist to push the oil further up in the bottle, and the other end has the cover and the brush tip and the opening to put the oil in, of course. The brush tip seems to have this little clear ball in it. I wonder if this is supposed to be removed. Let's see. I'm gonna try using my teeth to remove it instead of damaging my nails. A way better idea. Do not use your nails as tools. Number 1 healthy nail growth rule. But it's so hard to remember not to. Okay, I got it out. But it looks like it's not meant to be removed. Well, now I know. Now to start the oil mixing process. What I'll be using is one of the oil applicators and syringes, tea tree oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, which I also ordered along with these oil applicators, and coconut oil. So what's great about these syringe thingies is that they have markers on them so that you can measure up to 3 milliliters, which is very helpful. Oh, and BT dubs. The applicators are meant to hold 5 milliliters. Alrighty then, let's get started. I'm gonna begin with adding coconut oil as the base/carrier oil before moving on to the essentials. Let's see what 2 milliliters of coconut oil looks like. Okay, I think I can deal with that. Next, the vitamin E oil. Okay, random thought. So I have this food scale. I wonder if it would be sensitive enough to read the measurements. Only one way to find out. $13 milliliters? Oh my. Really? Okay then, let's see if I can measure about 1 milliliter of this vitamin E oil. Wow, nothing happened. Well folks, that did not work. I'll just stick to the tools they supplied me with. I guess we'll never know how many milliliters of vitamin E oil is in this particular mix. Sorry about that. My curiosity got the best of me. Onto the jojoba oil. I'll be measuring 1 milliliter. And finally, 1 milliliter of the tea tree oil to finish the mix. All right, now give it a good shake. And cover it with the brush tip.
Much later. Much later. Much later.
Okay, I finally got the top on. Don't know why that was such a challenge. But now it's time to test it out. Here's my nails. Well, they're looking quite shiny right now after working with all these oils. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I guess they're just naturally shiny. I never noticed. Let's try this oil out. So it seems like it takes a good amount of twisting before the applicator starts dispensing the oil. Aw man, now way too much is coming out. I'll just put the excess that came out on my husband's cuticles. And maybe my eyebrows. And there we have it, DIY cuticle oil. I hope that was helpful. Comment below if you've ever made your own cuticle oil, or if this has inspired you to make your own. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week.